Hello everyone, chapter number 18 Wastewater Story. So, in this video, we will learn about how water is important for our life, what is the role of water in our life for organism, for humans, for animals, and for everyone. So, all of us use water in our homes and make it dirty. That is true. Dirty. Are you surprised? Rich in lather, mixed with oil, black brown water that goes down the drains from sinks, showers, toilet, laundry is dirty. So, mixed with oil, black brown water that goes down the drains from sinks, showers, toilets, laundries is dirty. So is called waste water. This used water should not be wasted. We must clean it up by removing pollutants. Have you ever thought where the waste water goes and what happens to it? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि ये जो वेस्ट वाटर है वो जाता कहाँ है और उसके साथ होता क्या है? 18.1 article is there. Water, our lifeline. So, clean water is a basic of human being. Let us make a mind map of the many uses of clean water. तो एक माइंड मैप बनाते हैं क्लीन वाटर का. So, activity 18.1 we have given one example of the use of clean water. You can add many more. Clean water put to use. Drinking and clean water put to use, where we are using to cooking food, then to washing clothes, washing clean to wash the clean or to do clean utensils. Clean water that is fit for use is unfortunately not available to all. Clean water that is fit for use is unfortunately not available to all. It has been reported that more than 1 billion of people have no access to safe drinking water. So, ये चीज़ रिपोर्ट हुई है कि मोर देन 1 बिलियन ऑफ पीपल हैव नो एक्सेस टू सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. 1 बिलियन से भी ज़्यादा लोग हैं जिनके पास अच्छा पानी पीने की एक्सेस नहीं है. दिस अकाउंट फॉर अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ वाटर रिलेटेड डिजीज़ एंड इवन डेथ्स. तो इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, अगर वो अच्छा पानी नहीं पिएंगे तो अच्छा पानी ना पीने की वजह से उनको क्या होगा कि वो लोग बीमार पड़ जाएंगे. ठीक है, बीमार पड़ेंगे, उनको हेल्थ इश्यूज आएंगे, हेल्थ डिजीज़ होगा. सो दिस विल बी हार्मफुल फॉर देम. So this account for a large number of water related diseases and even deaths. People, even children, walk for several kilometers to collect clean water. Yes, that is also true. कि लोग हैं वो बहुत दूर तक पानी कलेक्ट करने के लिए जाते हैं. As you read in chapter 16, is it not a serious matter for human dignity? तो हमने चैप्टर 16 में देखा, क्या वो हमारे लिए एक सीरियस मैटर नहीं है? यू हैव स्टडीड इन चैप्टर 16 अबाउट इंक्रीजिंग स्कैर्सिटी ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर ड्यू टू पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ, pollution, industrial development and mismanagement and other factors, releasing the urgency of the situation on the World Water Day. On 22nd March 2005, the General Assembly of the United Nations proclaimed the period 2005 to 2015 as the International Decade for Action on Water for Life. 22 मार्च को हम वर्ल्ड वाटर डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। सॉरी तो जनरल असेंबली यूनाइटेड नेशन ने जब हुआ था तब उन्होंने प्रोक्लेम किया था 2005 से लेके 2015 तक एज द इंटरनेशनल डिकाड। तो उन्होंने इंटरनेशनल डिकाड बनाया था फॉर एक्शन ऑन वाटर फॉर लाइफ। All efforts made during this decade aim to reduce by half number of people who do not have access to safe drinking water। तो ये सारे जो एफर्ट्स थे वो एफर्ट्स किसके लिए किए कि उनका एम क्या था कि जिन लोगों को पानी नहीं मिल रहा है उनमें से आधों को भी हम पानी दे सके, तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत प्राउड की बात होगी। सो देयर हैज़ बीन perceptible progress in the direction of the aim, but still there is a lot of achieve। तो प्रोग्रेस तो थी थोड़ी थोड़ी, उनका जो एम था वो, लेकिन अभी भी उनका जो एम था वो पूरा पूरा अचीव नहीं हुआ था। क्लीनिंग ऑफ वाटर। Cleaning of water is a process of removing pollutants before it enters the water body or is reused। तो क्लीनिंग वाटर एक प्रोसेस है कि कोई पॉल्यूटेंट मतलब कोई कचरा उसके अंदर एंटर हो जाए तो उसको हमारे बॉडी में एंटर होने से पहले हम क्या करेंगे, उसको रीयूज़ करेंगे। सो दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट इज़ कॉमनली नोन एज अ सुएज ट्रीटमेंट। तो ये ट्रीटमेंट को हम कॉमनली बोलते हैं सुएज ट्रीटमेंट। इट टेक्स प्लेस in several stages। So what is sewage? Sewage is the waste water released by home। हमारे घर में से जो गंदा कचरा, गंदा डर्टी वाटर जो होता है वो इंडस्ट्रीज़ में से, हॉस्पिटल, ऑफिस एंड अदर यूजर्स। इट इज़ ऑल्सो include rainwater that has run down the street during a storm or heavy rain। The water that washes off roads and rooftops carries harmful substance with it। Sewage is a liquid waste। Most of it is water which has dissolved and suspend impurities। तो सूएज जो है वो वेस्ट वाटर है जो कहाँ से रिलीज़ होता है, घर में से, इंडस्ट्रीज, फ्रॉम द हॉस्पिटल, ऑफिसर एंड अदर यूज़र। इट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड रेन वाटर। Rainwater is also included because it is run down from the street during the storm or heavy rain। The water washes off road and rooftop carried harmful substance with it, and sewage liquid is waste। So most of the water which has dissolved and suspend impurity। तो मोस्ट ऑफ द जो ज़्यादा पानी जो होता है वो क्या होता है, उसमें इम्प्योरिटीज़ डिज़ोल्व हो जाती है। नाउ एक्टिविटी 18.2, let's see what we have to do। Locate one open drain near your home, school or on the roadside and inspect water flowing through it। तो एक ओपन ड्रेन लेना है जो आपके घर के पास हो, स्कूल और ऑन द रोड साइड, and inspect water flowing through it। Record color, odor and any other observation। Discuss with your friends and your teacher and fill up the following table 18.1। Okay, sewage water, kitchen, foul waste, toilet, trade waste, industrial and commercial organization. Contaminants. किचन में क्या वेस्ट होगा? एक तो क्लीनिंग यूटेंसिल्स एंड अदर, टॉयलेट that we know, dirty water, industrial, plastic or any material, water. So we know that sewage is a complex mixture of containing suspended solids and nutrients, separatites and disease causing bacteria and other microbes. This includes the following organic impurities: human feces, animal waste, oil, urine, pesticide, herbicides, fruit and vegetable. So this will be in the kitchen. Inorganic: nitrate, phosphate, metal, nutrients, phosphorus and nitrogen, bacteria such as Vibrio cholera, which causes cholera, and Salmonella paratyphi, which causes a typhus. Other microbes such as protozoans, which cause dysentery. So water freshens up an eventful journey.
Story Part 1. Hello kids! You have seen in the video on water as to how essential water is for us. If there is water, there is life. Water is very important, not only for humans but also for animals, birds and plants. Due to increasing population, increasing industrialization, expansion in agriculture, increasing urbanization, the water level is decreasing. Is the water that is available for us clean and useful? In this video, we will learn about wastewater and other aspects related to it. To know more on this subject, we take you to a village in Haryana. The objective of this video is to understand what is wastewater.
Hey Sunil, long time. Where were you all these days? You look very tired and sick.
Yes, my friend, I was sick. I had fever and vomitings.
Oh, is it?
Doctor told me that I had fever due to water pollution.
Look, sir has come to the class. Good
morning, sir.
Hello children. Sunil, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. I was ill. The doctor said that I had a waterborne disease.
Children, can you tell us how we get sick due to water?
Sir, when water is polluted, then we get waterborne diseases.
Correct. People get sick due to wastewater or dirty water. We will first learn what is wastewater. Can anyone tell me how the water gets dirty?
Sir, when we bathe and the water is filled with lather, it becomes dirty water.
Correct. Domestic water and the water that is generated after commercial use is called wastewater or dirty water.
The water that comes out from washing utensils, from bathing, washing of hands, washing of clothes, etc. is also dirty water.
Yes, this water contains vegetable matter, oil used in food, hair oil, detergent, floor dust, lubricated soapy water after washing the human body. This water is called grey water.
Sir, there is water that we used in the toilets too.
Right. The water released from flushing the human excreta and to wash is called black water or sewage.
Children, when it rains or the drain is filled, you see that the water flows on the roads. Observe this water. Write the color, smell, or any other observation of this flowing water and discuss it with your teacher.
All this water goes into the drains, isn't it, sir?
Have you seen small and big pipes at your homes?
Yes, we saw them.
Pipes that carry dirty water are called sewers. One pipe is for good water management in our houses and other pipes bring out the dirty water from the house. Every 50 to 60 meters, there are manholes where 2 or more sewers are found.
Sir, this muddy water causes water pollution when mixed with clean water. Where does this water go?
You are right. If there is no good sewerage system, dirty water contaminates clean water and also becomes a factor for many fatal diseases. Old pipes, leakage in sewage system, industrial waste and human excreta directly going into the lakes and rivers pollutes the water. Many germs thrive in this contaminated water and cause various diseases. The germs carrying typhoid, hepatitis, cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, skin diseases, etc. thrive in such contaminated water.
Oh, I feel sick due to this. Sir, then what can we do with the wastewater?
We should not let the dirty water go waste. By removing contaminants from it, it can be made clean and reused again.
Can so much dirty water be purified?
Yes, dirty water is sanitized with the help of a water treatment plant.
But why, sir? Will we not get sick from reusing this water?
Due to the continuous scarcity of clean water, the dirty water is cleaned and reused. If we do not treat sewage generated in large quantities, this muddy water will pollute lakes, rivers, and groundwater without interruption. Therefore, water must be treated.
How is this treatment done, sir?
I will tell you about it tomorrow. It is now time. Remember, water is precious and we should understand the value of safe drinking water. Therefore, we should not waste water.
Water should be used with caution. One should not be used with caution.
Rakesh is right. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Children, in this video you have learnt about wastewater and its different aspects. Many diseases are spread due to water pollution. That is why dirty water should not be mixed with clean water. In the next video, you will learn about the process of cleaning wastewater. See you.
Article 18.3 Water freshens up an eventful journey. So in a home or public building, generally one set of pipe brings clean water and another set of pipe takes away wastewater. Yes, we have seen it. Imagine that we could see through the ground, we could see network of big and small pipe called sewers forming the sewerage. It is like a transport system that carries sewage from the point of being produced to point of disposal, that is treatment plant. So manholes are located to every 50 meter to 60 meter in the sewerage at the junction of two or more sewer and at the point where there is change in direction. तो हमारा जो घर है वो घर के हर 50-60 मीटर में पाइपलाइन लगाया हुआ है एंड एट द पॉइंट वेयर देयर इज़ अ चेंज इन अ डिरेक्शन, और हर एक पॉइंट के पास उसकी डिरेक्शन चेंज होती है. एक्टिविटी 18.3 स्टडी द sewage route in your home or school or building. Do the following. What we have to do? Make a line diagram of sewage route. पाइपलाइन का जो रूट है उसका हमें डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. वॉक डाउन द स्ट्रीट और सर्वे द कैंपस टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ मेन होल्स. स्ट्रीट में चलना है और सर्वे करना है द कैंपस टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ मेन होल्स. और वो होल्स कहाँ से जाते हैं मेन, वो हमें फाइंड करना है, और कितने होल्स है वो हमें काउंट करके लिखना है. इफ़ पॉसिबल ऑब्जर्व ओपन ड्रेन एंड रिकॉर्ड विच लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म आर फाउंड इन एंड अराउंड इट. अगर आपने कुछ ऑब्जर्व किया और जो ओपन ड्रेन है, गटर जिसको बोलते हैं, तो रिकॉर्ड करना है कि वहाँ पे कौन से लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म देखने को मिलते हैं उसके आसपास. इन केस यू डू नॉट हैव अ सीवरेज सिस्टम इन योर लोकेलिटी, फाइंड आउट हाउ द सीवेज इज बीइंग डिस्पोज ऑफ. अगर आपके घर के पास सीवेज सिस्टम नहीं है तो आपको क्या करना है, ढूंढना है कि वो कहाँ से आता है. तो अगर नहीं है तो डिस्पोज कहाँ से होता है पानी. सो ट्रीटमेंट फॉर पॉल्यूटेड वाटर. Perform the following activity. It will help you to understand the processes that take place at the wastewater treatment plant. Activity 18.4 divide yourself into groups to perform the activity. Record observation at each stage. क्या करना है, ग्रुप बना देना है, एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करनी दोनों ग्रुप को. एक लार्ज ग्लास का जार लेना है, उसको 3/4 भर के रखना है. ऐड सम डर्टी ऑर्गेनिक मैटर such as grass pieces or orange peels, as a small amount of detergent and a few drops of an ink or any color. तो क्या करना है कि थोड़ा डिटर्जेंट डालना है और थोड़े इंक और दूसरे कोई कलर के ड्रॉप्स डालना है. कैप द जार, शेक इट वेल. जार बंद करना है, उसको हिलाना है. लेट द मिक्सचर स्टैंड इन द सन फॉर 2 days. और जो मिक्सचर है उसको धूप में रखना है 2 दिन के लिए. आफ्टर 2 days शेक द मिक्सचर एंड पॉर अ स्मॉल सैंपल इनटू टेस्ट ट्यूब. थोड़े देर के बाद वही सैंपल लेना है, टेस्ट ट्यूब में डालना है और लेबल द टेस्ट ट्यूब बिफोर ट्रीटमेंट सैंपल 1. हाउ डज इट स्मेल, स्मेल कैसी आती है वो ऑब्जर्व करना है. यूज एन एरेटर फ्रॉम एन एक्वेरियम टू बबल एयर थ्रू एयर सैंपल इन द ग्लास जार. एक्वेरियम में जो बबल निकलते हैं ना एयर के, वो आपने देखे होंगे ग्लास के जार में, तो वो हमें यूज़ करना है. अलो द सेवरल आवर्स फॉर एरेशन. लीव द एरेटर अटैच ओवरनाइट, और उसको ऐसे ही अटैच करके रखना है. इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव एन एरेटर, यूज़ अ मैकेनिकल स्टीरर और अ मिक्सचर. तो अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आप कोई स्टीयर करने के लिए, मतलब कंटिन्यूसली घूमता रहना चाहिए. यू मे यूज़ टू स्टीयर इट सेवरल टाइम्स, और आपको ये बार बार यूज़ करना है. हिलाना है. The next day, when aeration is complete, pour another sample into a second test tube. दूसरा दिन कंप्लीट हो गया. अभी दूसरा सैंपल लेना है दूसरी टेस्ट ट्यूब में. लेबल इट आफ्टर एरिएशन. अभी एरिएशन के बाद जो टेस्ट ट्यूब हमने लिया है उसको लेबल करना है. फोल्ड अ पीस ऑफ फिल्टर पेपर टू फॉर्म अ कोन. अभी फिल्टर पेपर लेके उसका कोन बनाना है. वेट पेपर लेना है विद द टैप वाटर एंड देन इंसर्ट द कोन इन अ फनल. बाद में जो कोन है उसको फनल में रखना है. माउंट द फनल ऑन अ सपोर्ट. अभी जो ऊपर लगा के रखनी है जो फनल है उसको. प्लेस लेयर ऑफ सैंड. अभी सैंड का लेयर बनाना है. फाइन ग्रेवल एंड फाइनली मीडियम ग्रेवल इन द फनल. Does not use filter paper, but the sand filter is several meter deep. तो actual filtration plant does not use filter paper, but the sand filter the several meter deep. तो अभी वो लोग तो सैंड यूज़ नहीं करते, लेकिन हमारे पास नहीं है फिल्टर, इसलिए हम सैंड को यूज़ करेंगे. Now pour the remaining aerated liquid through the filter into the beakers. Do not allow the liquid to spill over the filter. If the filtered liquid is not clear, filter it a few times till you get clear water. Pour a sample of water, filter water, into third test tube. Label. Pour another sample of filter water in the fourth test tube and a small piece of chlorine tablet. Mix well until the water is clear. Label the test tube chlorinated sample 4. Observe carefully the samples in all the test tube. Do not taste, just smell them. Answer the following question. What changes did you observe in the appearance of liquid water aeration? Did aeration change the odor? What was removed by the sand filter? Did chlorine remove the color? Did chlorine have odor? What was the worse than that of the waste water? Let's see the video and solve the question.
Water story. Water becomes dirty after we use it for washing clothes, bathing, etc. This means that we are adding some materials to the water which spoil its quality and change its smell and color. Whenever harmful substances such as sewage, toxic chemicals, silt, etc. get mixed with water, the water becomes polluted. The substances that pollute water are called water pollutants. During the rainy season, rainwater also gets into the drains and adds silt, pebbles, leaves, and other day-to-day materials to the wastewater. Businesses and industries also contribute their share of used water that must be cleaned. All the wastewater that is released from various sources contains suspended impurities. This wastewater containing suspended impurities is called sewage. These impurities are called contaminants. Have you seen ponds which look green from a distance because they have a lot of algae growing in them? This is caused by excessive quantities of chemicals which get washed from the fields. These act as nutrients for algae to flourish. Once these algae die, they serve as food for decomposers like bacteria. A lot of oxygen in the water body gets used up. This results in a decrease in the oxygen level, which may kill aquatic organisms. Water contaminated with sewage may contain bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites which cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, and jaundice. The conventional sewage treatment process typically involves the following three stages: primary treatment, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment. Primary treatment. This is a mechanical process which involves screening and settling of large particles. Screening involves the removal of large objects, for example, nappies, cotton buds, plastics, diapers, rags, sanitary items, face wipes, broken bottles or bottle tops that in one way or another may damage the equipment. This process is called filtration.